It's Runty Runs back at it another with a cooking video. We're gonna show you how to make birria tacos. You're gonna need mozzarella jack, salt, pepper, onion powder, paprika, chives, cummin, cilantro, apple cider vinegar, chili negro, árbol. You need that beef broth, that tomato paste, garlic. You gonna need some chuck roast and some beef. Come on now, we don't got that lab, that's too expensive. We broke in the hood. Gonna need some tomatoes and onions. Get to it now. Let's get to it. You gonna season up your beef and your chuck roast. Don't be stingy now. Put on that pepper, salt, and all that seasoning you need I mentioned earlier. You're gonna get both sides with it now, baby. Don't forget, every inch you cover, more tastier it is. So like I said, you gotta get each side. So you gonna see that's what I'm doing now. I fast forward the video. I'm not that fast, or else I'll be Speedy Gonzalez with the shit cooks. You feel me? You gonna chop up your chiles all together. You gonna make it seedless if you a little pussy. But my family don't like that much heat. But I could eat that. Trust and believe I could eat that. But that's everything. How it looks once it's done getting seed. Then you gonna put your garlic, your tomato, your chilies to boil now. Let it boil. Once it gets soft, you're going to put it in the blender. See, look at that stain. Then you're going to add your tomato paste. Then you're going to blend it all together. Put all that seasoning I mentioned earlier into a bowl. Put it in there. Let it blend. That's your sauce. That's your lovely sauce for the beef, bro. You're going to cut off that extra bone. You see that? For it could be juice. I always get the bone for it. All that extra nutrients and all that. Look at that marbling. Okay. Now you're going to cut up your onion. I'm not no professional now, but I better start cooking. But once I approve on my skill, you're going to see me just slicing, finally dicing. You feel me? Okay, now we're just going to get all of it to a bowl, I believe. And then you're going to cut up your garlic. There's a lot of ingredients into making this type of video. I never knew you need so much ingredients for some type of food that you want to create. So you're going to put some olive oil. That's some good oil right there. I'm out that motherfucker. Then you're going to put all the protein all in a bowl. Let it brownish. That adds extra flavor to your plate. When you just let it brown on each side, that like it juices up on the bottom. And you're going to take it right out. Then you're just going to take it all like I said. You're going to put it on a plate. Make sure that you organize. You're going to take out the beef from the bone. Then you're going to place it right back in there. And then that's when you're going to add your beef broth and your sauce. And you're just going to let it cook for about like 3 to 4 hours. And after you're done, you're going to get your vinegar. You're going to need some vinegar, you know. You're going to put some beef broth like I was mentioning earlier. You're going to put a lot of it. This is what you need, a lot. Then you got to add your seasoning again. All this is necessarily needed. Then you're gonna add your cilantro. Let it boil.
Now you're just gonna finish cooking the beef ribs. After that, you're gonna take it all out.
Your mozzarella
now
jack.
You're just gonna drain
the beef from the water. Get all that out of there. Then you're gonna start cooking up your tacos. You're gonna get the corn tortillas, put in the juice, put it on a pan. Then you put some nice cheese on it. Don't be stingy now. Then you're going to put your birria on there. Then you're going to drizzle it out with more juice. But careful now, because that shit will clog up your arteries. So you got to be careful how much you consume. It's not healthy.
Get covered,
again,
like
it's not healthy.
Earlier,
you're going to drizzle some cilantro on top of it.
Yes, sir.
You're going to have your juice on there.
You're going to do the exact
same. This is my girlfriend's reaction. She loves that shit.
Video, toss it in down.
Thumbs up?
Yes,
she give me the thumbs up and everything. She the one that put me on with the sour cream. I never tried sour cream with birria tacos, but that was very delicious.
Yeah, I just dipped it in there. I'm gonna try the sour cream. Bro, the sour cream doesn't. I never thought to try it with sour cream, bro. I'm about to eat the whole.
Damn, look at that shit. Oh.
Bro, that's so good.